Get a feel for the 2023 Nissan Armada. Here's an overachiever with a commanding presence, the Nissan Armada. This full-size three-row SUV is a polite powerhouse, offering an upscale interior, smooth, quiet ride, and brawny towing capacity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, premium sound system, power passenger seat, cooled front seat, heated mirrors. Make every adventure all it can be in this luxurious and powerful Armada. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.